Okay, Jesus, my hair looks horrible. I just got a haircut and I just got out of the shower. Anyways, so this is my story time for last week on Friday, where the fire alarm went off, but then again, it went off 2 days ago at school. It went off, after a week. It went off last Friday and then this Friday. Anyways, so basically what happened was, fire alarm went off. I walked outside, I heard a sprinkler, and I was like, why would a sprinkler be going off? And then I realized that was a sprinkler bell. And I was right, because a fire sprinkler had falsely went off in the drama room and wrecked all of our play stuff and set us back 3 days, which I guess isn't that bad, but still. And then on Friday, this Friday, the fire alarm went off again because, a smoke detector falsely activated for no reason. And, yeah. We also had a lockdown last week, and it was real. And it was literally 6 minutes after school started. Anyways, I guess I'll add some clips of what happened. The bottom 2 or 3 Jesus. Why do I hear a bell? Fuck, is this real? Because I hear a bell. Yeah. I'm so scared. Yes.
She literally comes to school one day and is like, "Hi."
No, it was a different thing.
I know that's.
It made a full-on real sound. Jesus, it's talking. Goodbye. A sprinkler went off in the drama room.
Let's go basketball.
Can someone just pull it? Oh my god, guys.